Ready for success? Brian Tracy's infallible strategies revealed. Have you ever stopped to think about what success really means to you? No, we are not just talking about riches and fame, but about something much deeper and more personal. In today's world, measuring success can be a true odyssey, full of material goals and social achievements. But is that all there is? Society pushes us to constantly chase these external indicators, often forgetting what really fills our soul and gives meaning to our existence. How can we then, in this sea of expectations, find our own compass of success? Today, at Self-Empower, we invite you to embark on an introspective journey to rediscover the true meaning of success, beyond the tangible and immediate. Let's explore together how to measure success in a way that resonates with your most authentic self and guides you toward a life of true fulfillment and purpose. If this topic resonates with you, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your own definition of success, and of course, like this video to support us. Now join us in this deep exploration of how to really measure success in your life. 1. The conventional measure of success. We begin with the question, how does society measure success? We often find ourselves caught up in the race to accumulate material goods, academic degrees, and high social status. But does this really make us happy? Brian Tracy, a renowned motivational speaker and author, invites us to reflect on these conventional measures and question their true value. It challenges us to look beyond what is established, suggesting we consider whether these aspirations align with our true passions and purposes. The invitation is to a deep analysis of our motivations, asking ourselves if we are pursuing goals that truly resonate with our inner self, or if we are simply following the script that society has written for us. 2. Personalized success. Tracy suggests that success is a deeply personal concept. What counts as success for one person may be completely different for another. So how can we define success for ourselves? It's about setting and achieving goals that are meaningful on a personal level, beyond societal expectations. This involves deep introspection to understand what we truly value and desire in life. It is not limited to visible achievements, but encompasses personal satisfaction, happiness, and the fulfillment of our truest desires and passions. The key is to personalize our definition of success, creating a unique path that reflects our personal values, interests, and aspirations, moving away from the metrics imposed by the outside world. 3. Goals and happiness. The key, according to Tracy, is pursuing goals that not only challenge us, but are also aligned with our personal values and passions. It is this type of success that leads to a true sense of fulfillment and happiness. But how do we begin this alignment and search process? It begins with a deep reflection on what really matters to us, identifying those areas of our life that we want to improve or change. Tracy advises setting clear, specific goals that resonate with our inner being, and then drawing up an action plan that guides us toward achieving these goals. This approach not only increases our chances of success, but also ensures that the path taken is filled with passion and purpose, becoming a source of lasting happiness and satisfaction. 4. Defining your own success. To begin, it is essential to take some time to reflect on what you truly value and what you are passionate about. Tracy suggests writing a list of short and long-term goals that reflect these values and passions. Then, it is about drawing up a concrete plan to achieve them, always remembering that the path to success is as important as the final result. This exercise not only helps clarify our aspirations, but also serves as a map guiding us towards our desired destination. In doing so, it is crucial to be flexible and open to adjusting our goals as we personally evolve. Authenticity in this process is essential, allowing us to not only achieve our goals, but do so in a way that truly resonates with who we are. This personalized approach ensures that every step taken is an expression of our true ambitions, leading us to lasting satisfaction and happiness. 5. The journey continues. Let's remember that success is a journey, not a destination. It will change and evolve with you. What matters is that you continue to move forward, learn, and grow in the process. This dynamic approach to success allows us to adapt and redefine our goals as our lives and circumstances change. It is not just about achieving a fixed set of objectives, but about maintaining an attitude of constant growth that motivates us to pursue new goals and challenges. Accepting that success is flexible and personal helps us stay resilient in the face of obstacles and find fulfillment in the various stages of our lives, celebrating each achievement, no matter how small, as part of an ongoing journey toward a fuller version of ourselves. Conclusion. In short, success goes beyond the material and conventional. It is deeply personal and is best measured by the realization of our own goals and dreams, aligned with our deepest values. We invite you to take a moment after this video to reflect on what success means to you. Consider how you can apply these principles to your life to forge a path that fills you with genuine satisfaction and happiness. Remember, each of us has the power to define and achieve our own success on our terms. Thank you for joining us on Self-Empower. If you liked this introspective journey, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment sharing your vision of success, and don't forget to like this video. Until next time, and remember, your mind is your greatest asset. This is just the beginning of your journey to more authentic and meaningful success. We are here to support you every step of the way.